Hi, I'm Dr. Ram Badri, a board-certified plastic surgeon. I also specialize in doing reconstructive and microvascular surgeries. Today I'd like to talk about breast reconstruction. These are surgeries offered by plastic surgeons to the patients who have breast cancer, whose either the entire breast or part of the breast is surgically removed. If smaller tumors are removed during the breast conservation surgery, we can offer reconstruction as part of the oncoplastic surgery, where we use principles of oncology and plastic surgery to provide adequate tumor clearance and a good aesthetic outcome. In these surgeries, depending on the volume of breast tissue removed, we can rearrange the breast tissue to provide good cosmetic outcome. If this is not sufficient, we use flaps or tissues from the upper abdomen or upper back to provide good symmetry. If the whole breast is removed, that is, if a mastectomy is performed, we can recreate the entire breast mound with several options. First option being the autologous tissue. Here we use the patient's own tissue, often from the lower abdominal area, which consists of skin, fat and muscle. We then use microvascular surgical techniques to re-establish the blood supply to give a great and natural contour. The second option is implants. We often use these along with tissue expanders. These are silicone devices which are then placed in the region of the breast which are shaped to look like normal breasts. Third option is the fat grafting. Multiple sittings of fat grafting after the initial surgery of mastectomy will eventually help build up the volume needed to match the opposite normal breast. When large breasted patients develop cancer on one side, we recommend breast reduction surgery on the normal side to achieve symmetry. When it comes to timing, your reconstruction surgery can be performed in the same sitting as that of your tumor resection surgery or after completion of the entire treatment, including chemotherapy and radiotherapy. Several studies have shown that psychologically there is a more positive impact when reconstruction is performed at the first sitting itself. There are some common misconceptions which I'd like to address. First is that the reconstruction cannot be planned if the entire breast has been removed. This is not true. As I highlighted earlier, we can offer several options of reconstruction after mastectomy. The second common misconception is that there is a greater risk of recurrence if one undergoes reconstructive surgery. Several studies have proved that there is no difference in the oncological outcome after reconstruction, making it completely safe in terms of cancer recurrence. It is always important to consult your breast surgeon and an experienced plastic surgeon in order to customize the treatment for you specifically based on multiple factors and taking into consideration your choices too. Thank you.